You can use my Bluehost affiliate link from the video description so that whenever you will make a purchase on Bluehost, I will get a small commission without any extra cost to you. Let's move on. We are going to visit Bluehost website. With Bluehost web hosting, we'll be able to register the domain name completely free for the first year. And most importantly, we are going to have the SSL certificate completely free as well, which is really important to have on any website. For example, let me show you what it does for a website. So whenever I'm visiting wordpress.org/hosting, this is for the official WordPress website, you are seeing this site lock icon here, which is mentioning connection is secure. So whenever a visitor is visiting this website, they are going to feel comfortable on spending more time on this website. And for any purpose, if they had to provide their personal information, private information, or payment information, they're going to feel secure for sure. But instead of this site lock icon, if they are seeing anything like this site is not secure, they are not going to feel the same way how they are feeling as of now. So always activate SSL on your website. And the other reason why I love Bluehost is, as of now, I am visiting WordPress hosting recommendation blog post from the official WordPress organization website. And as the #1 hosting platform, they have listed Bluehost. And as you can see, powering over 2 million websites. And if you just notice here on the second, DreamHost, third, SiteGround, but undoubtedly SiteGround is the #1 hosting provider as of now, considering the performance. But only con is their charge is really higher than Bluehost or DreamHost. But from my personal experience, I would suggest you to go with Bluehost because I have hosted multiple websites under one single hosting plan on Bluehost, and I have never had any issues, and all of the websites are performing really great. So let's go for the Bluehost. I'm going to omit this page, and I'm going to click on get started from here. And then we're going to see these plans information. You will be able to host one website using the basic hosting plan. If you want to create multiple websites under one hosting, I'd suggest you to go with Choice Plus or the Plus program. After having some success from your website, I would suggest you to go with Pro, and you will get, as you can see, this high performance status, free SSL, and other informations, as you can see. And I'd suggest you to compare this pricing and compare these features on this from this page. As this video is for demonstration purpose, I'm going to select basic package. So I'm going to click on select, and then I'm going to put my targeted domain name here. And you can select your domain extension from here, .com, .onlinesite, .net, .org, but I'd suggest you to go with .com. Now it's time to click on next. And it is going to show us if the domain name is available or not on this page. So as you can see, the domain hypec.com is available. So if you're seeing that this domain is not available, then you can try another domain name for sure. Now you can sign in using your Google account. If you don't have an account, simply click here and then you have to opt in. Otherwise, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my information manually. I'm going to put my first name, last name, address information here on this page, and then I'm going to select. So one thing that I'd love to mention here, if you select the highest dated, as you can see, basic 36-month price is 3.95, but for basic 12 months price, it is going to be 5.95. So if you're serious about blogging, if you're serious about your website, I'd suggest you to go with this package so that you'll get the best discount from here. But if you want to try, and if you have some budget issues, then I would love to recommend you to go with this package, 12-month package. So it is going to cost you around 71 to 72 US dollars. And then, as you can see, primary domain registration is free. As I have mentioned, we are going to get the domain name for free, and then we have got this SSL free as well. Now we are going to go here, domain privacy protection. What it does, it is going to keep our personal information secure and unrevealed on online platforms. If you want to keep your privacy secure, then you can select this option. I'm actually to turn it off. And then, as you can see here, code guard basic, we don't need these things. And then we have got Sitelock security essential, we don't need these things as well. So now we have got this total of 71.40 US dollars cost for 1 year of complete website management. Okay, so now I'm going to provide all the information here, and then I'm going to take you to the next page.